In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find the key of a sample in FL Studio. Let's get started. First, open FL Studio and load your project. Locate the audio sample you want to analyze. To find the key of this sample, double-click on it in the playlist to open the Channel Settings panel. In this panel, look for the Waveform Display section. Right-click on the waveform and from the drop-down menu, select Edit in Pitch Corrector. This will open the NuTone plugin. Inside NuTone, you'll see a visual representation of your sample's pitch. The key of your sample is displayed here. This information is useful for matching your sample to your project's key. If you want to confirm the root note of the sample, go back to the Channel Settings panel. In the top right corner, click the wrench icon to switch to the Sample Properties window. Here, you'll find the root note of your sample displayed clearly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.